It's a Denon, made in China, this model. Found in the trash months ago, 6 months more ago. Had a cut cord. Someone was angry, they cut the cord and then they threw it. They also seemed to throw it some more. They cracked this. They cracked off that. I ABS cemented it. But I found this cord in my cord pile. It's a Chinese cord. This might have been 16 gauge and I might be using 18 gauge over here, but it really doesn't even look like an 18 gauge. I mean a 16 gauge, I don't know. I might have messed up, but I'm not worrying about it. That's my soldering joint right here, heat shrink. And then we're going to put this heat shrink over that. Put it back in the strain relief. And this baby turns on. Oh, we're fixing the radio. Probably just wound up selling it. I'll disclose that it has cracks in the front. I got a little crack over here. And I'll disclose that I patched the cord. Probably no need for it. I don't listen to music. Made in China anyway. I miss my old Technics. I think they sold it like many years ago. That was a cool unit. Old 80s one made in Japan. I missed that one. I don't know why they sold it. I just liked it. It looked cool. Had cool little light up things and everything. Find another one day maybe. The final heat shrink. I think this is all RCA jacks too. I don't even know how these kind of work. My other radio I had the little connections in the back. Oh, it does. Okay. Never mind. Yeah, I have some speakers also found in the trash. I'll just guess plug it into it. Seems to all function. I'm not sure. Quick select 1, 2, 3. Okay. Master volume, source select, tuner. Okay, how do I go up on the radio now? They go up this way, they go up this way. I'm not sure. No. Tuner. Interesting, not sure. Oh no, how does it move? Maybe it's broken. Oh no. Figure it out. Know how it works, let me know. Oh my god, there's junk in the background. Junky room. Alright, that's pretty good. I don't even know how it works and what it's worth. And AVR 591, you see the crack in the face. I could ABS cement that too. Clean it up a little bit, just a tad. Last time I had a Yamaha one. Had a cool Technics one that's from an old house. That one went goodbye. I missed that one. The Yamaha one is pretty cool. It was a silver one. I found that one years ago. It had a headphone jack in there and they threw it out because it had no sound. And they removed the headphone jack and it worked. I think I sold that at 50 bucks. It's like an Iraqi war veteran. Probably should have kept that one. I don't know. I'm not in the mood. You know, some stuff I want to sell, some stuff I don't want to sell. And other stuff, I don't know. Made in China though, that's my turn off of that. We'll see. We'll plug it in, see if it works. And this is on a chopping block to fix too. It's a Sony Mega Storage 400 CD. I believe it slips and it needs rubber bands. Someone on the YouTube has one fixing it, and that shouldn't be on the floor like that. It's gonna scratch it if it already isn't. But they have to take it apart and it needs like 3 or 4 rubber bands, and then you won't get the error because it slips. The door slips and the turntable slips. So it also probably is fixable. It's probably like a $300+ unit even on the used market. They say CDs are coming back. I have no idea. That's another one that I picked out in the trash and needs to be repaired. And this little screen over here, I gotta go list. I got too much crap. It needs to go.